After United States President Donald Trump's request for the malaria drug, the Ministry of External Affairs said in a statement today that in view of the humanitarian aspects of COVID-19 pandemic, India will license paracetamol and hydroxychloroquine in appropriate quantities to neighboring countries who are dependent on our capabilities. India will also supply these essential drugs to some nations who have been particularly badly affected by the pandemic. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao said he was in favour of extending the lockdown in his state. Maharashtra, which has the maximum number of cases at 748 so far, is likely to extend the lockdown in the Mumbai and Pune regions as well as other hotspots in Uttar Pradesh too. Following the Tablighi event and a spurt in cases thereafter, there is uncertainty over the lifting of the lockdown. In an analysis by the Indian Express, it appears that of the total 4,281 positive cases reported till Monday, 1,486 or 34.71% come from districts that get most migrants. This means that these areas are also hubs of economic activity and they may see an extension of the lockdown. India is preparing for the worst-case scenario of a sharp rise in COVID-19 cases by keeping around 4 lakh beds ready for patients by April 30th. The Indian Railways, which has so far issued instructions to turn 5,000 train coaches into isolation units to house 80,000 patients, may have to keep producing more. A medical college in Kerala's Kasaragod district, which has been under construction for the last 4 years, was converted into a hospital in just 4 days by the state administration to meet the requirements of the rising COVID-19 patients. With 128 active cases, Kasaragod has almost half of Kerala's COVID-19 patients. 2 more COVID-19 positive cases have been found in Mumbai's Dharavi, which is considered to be Asia's largest slum, where people live in extremely close proximity. The fresh cases are the father and brother of the second positive case there. Contact tracing of the new cases is being done. Total coronavirus positive cases in Dharavi now stand at 7, including 1 death.